How do you allow microphone access for a Roblox app on your iPhone? Let's get started. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, you need to have the app downloaded from the App Store. It would help you out if you get the latest version of the app. But the point is that you have to be in a site and actually get to a situation where the microphone is required, right? So, for example, you might need to connect with someone or whatever, but just get to a situation where the microphone needs to be used. And in that case, your phone is going to ask you if you want to allow it or not, right? You get to pick from one of these options. So you're going to, either click access or not allow access to the microphone, whatever. It's not that important because you can always change it later. So you can check out your settings app of the iPhone, and a part of the privacy and security section, you'll see all of the different things and decide which apps can access those things. So for example, there's the camera right there, and you can decide which applications can access it. And the same thing goes for the microphone. So you'll see like a list of all of your apps which have requested access to it. If you do not see Roblox right away in here, it is, as I mentioned, because your app hasn't really needed the microphone access to begin with. So once you first get to the situation where it's required, you're going to choose it first, and then it's going to be permanently part of this list where you can enable it or disable it later. So that's how it works. I really hope that I can help you out with it. In case there are any further questions about this, let me know about those below in the comments, and it's possible I'll make an updated video about it in the future. For now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.